Today I'm going to look at turning this back into this. So let's take a look at it and get started. Okay, first on our list of things to do is get this central cover out. There's no other way around it I could find other than use a sharp pocket knife. Make sure you got a good pair of leather gloves. You don't want to stab yourself here. And yes, I cheated for purposes of the video. It took several tries to get this little cover out. Once you get the central cover off, you should be looking at one Phillips head screw. Take this screw and the bushing out, then very carefully, holding the shower head as I have it here, pull the top of the shower head off. Whatever you do, don't turn it over. There's an awful lot of small parts that'll fall free if you do. Once you get it apart, the first mission is to inspect the interior seal. This is the black seal you're looking at that goes all the way around the shower head. You want to look at it and make sure it has no nicks, cuts, or any other damage to it. Next, you want to look at the actual seal surface it will be sealing against. Make sure it's in good shape. If either of these is in bad shape, you're into it for a new shower head. You can stop the video and head on down to Walmart or your favorite other store. Okay, if you got this far and both surfaces look pretty good, you're ready to proceed with the fix. There's two options here. First option appears to be the better one. That's to use an O-ring. The O-ring I used was 5/16 by 7/16. You're looking for one that fits fairly tightly around the inner bushing. Remember, there's no water up here, so probably the best thing to do is lightly lubricate this O-ring with Vaseline or some other light lubricant. Reinstall the bushing, O-ring, and screw assembly and tighten it down pretty much about as tight as you can with a regular Phillips screwdriver. What we're trying to do here is use this O-ring to compress against the existing U-cup seal to make it reseat against the main shower head that we'll be adjusting. The O-ring will make it possible to smoothly adjust the shower head while still getting a good seal and preventing the leakage we were seeing before. After you get it all tightened back up, now's the time to check it and make sure you can still move the shower head freely, so that way you can have different showers. I said there were two options. Your second option is to use a metal washer. The one I tried was 8 millimeters by 11 millimeters. The only problem with the washer method, it tends to lock the shower head in one position. So I'd consider it only as a last resort. The O-ring by far is a better option. If all this checks out, well, you're ready to take your first shower. Hope this helps you out. Take care. Have a great day.